Hello friends, today I'd like to guide how we can edit videos on Capcut. So first of all, let's open the Capcut and import your existing videos that you will edit. I have opened some videos in the software folder, sorry, personal folder. Yeah, so these two videos I'll edit. So let's drag and drop this video here and then let's check.
হ্যালো বন্ধুরা, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আজকে আমরা দেখব
Yeah, so first of all, let's give an effect here. Relevant effect, like I can use it till this.
হ্যালো বন্ধুরা, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আজকে আমরা দেখব যে আমরা
This is just an effect.
হ্যালো বন্ধুরা, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আজকে আমরা দেখব যে আমরা কিভাবে বিডি জবসের
Then I can add a transition effect between the two videos. Here is the transition, income. This one can be used as transition. Then I can fix the volume or sound from audio. I can use 12 because if I use more, the sound can be broken. So I think 12 is best. Then enhance voice, then reduce noise. Yeah, so the noise will be reduced. Then we can use a sign up sticker like this. Sign up subscriber. This one can be used. Yes, and I need to make it smaller actually, so my video content is not cutting. And other thing, we can also use AI media or image, generate image. So library, there are lots of images. Yeah, image, we can use relevant image or video from here, library. Anywhere, as example, we can like search using job. Yeah, like this. Or we can add it here at the end. Anything relevant, and we can also get free clips from Pixel, Pixaba, and Unshutter, etc., etc. And we can just add those in the video. Anyway, I'm not adding it currently. So just I edited this video and let's export this. Thank you.